Hi everybody, welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Today we are going to make Christmas fruit cake. The ingredients are maida or all-purpose flour 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, egg 3 numbers, butter 3 by 4 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda half a teaspoon, cocoa powder 1 teaspoon, 1 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, 1 clove and 1 piece of nutmeg. Chopped orange peel 1 small piece, raisins 1 tablespoon, chopped cherry 1 tablespoon, chopped dates 1 tablespoon, tutti frutti 1 tablespoon, cashew nuts 1 tablespoon, walnut 1 tablespoon, icing sugar 2 tablespoon and water 2 tablespoon. Now powder the spices. I have powdered it, keep it aside. Take 3 tablespoons of sugar and keep it aside. We have to powder the remaining sugar. Sugar powder is ready. Now transfer all the nuts and dry fruits to a big bowl. And add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and mix it. If we don't do this, the fruits and nuts will go down and settle while baking. Now add baking soda and baking powder to the all-purpose flour or maida and sieve it. Add cocoa powder also. Now sieve it. Heat the remaining sugar in a pan. Heat it till it becomes brown in color. It has melted. We have to wait till the color becomes brown. Now the color has changed. Put off the flame and add water. Now it has become hard. Once again we have to heat it. It has completely dissolved. Now allow it to cool. Beat the egg in a big bowl and keep it aside. Now beat butter in another bowl. Now add sugar little by little and beat. Now add beaten egg and beat well. Beat well. Now add the flour little by little and beat well. Now add the sugar syrup and mix well. Now add the spices powder. Mix well. Now add nuts and fruits. Mix it. In an aluminium cooker, place the stand inside and keep a plate over it, and we have to heat it for 5 minutes. Grease a cake mold with ghee. And sprinkle all-purpose flour. Now pour the batter up to half level. Now pat it to remove the air bubbles. 5 minutes over. Now keep the batter inside. Cover it. Don't put the weight. Keep the flame between sim and medium and cook for 45 to 50 minutes. 50 minutes over. Let us see whether it is done or not. Now insert a toothpick. It comes out clear. So it's done now. Put off the flame and keep it there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes over. Take it out and allow it to cool. It is not so hot now. Take it out. Now sprinkle icing sugar on the top. Christmas fruit cake is ready. Try this and give us a feedback.